This medication, Azelastine Hcl Drops, is used to treat itching eyes caused by allergies, also known as allergic conjunctivitis. It belongs to a class of drugs called antihistamines, which work by blocking certain natural substances called histamines that are responsible for allergic symptoms. It should not be used to treat redness and irritation due to wearing contact lenses. The recommended dosage is 1 drop in each affected eye, twice a day. It is best to take this medication at the same times each day to maintain a consistent level in your body. When using Azelastine Hcl Drops, make sure to follow your doctor's instructions and use it in the affected eyes twice a day. Before applying the eye drops, be sure to wash your hands. To avoid contamination, do not touch the dropper tip or let it touch your eye or any other surface. If you wear contact lenses, remove them before using the eye drops and wait at least 10 minutes before putting them back in. Tilt your head back, look upward, and pull down the lower eyelid to create a pouch. Then, hold the dropper directly over your eye and place 1 drop into the pouch. Close your eyes for 1 to 2 minutes and apply gentle pressure at the corner of your eye to prevent the medication from draining out. If you use other eye medications, make sure to wait at least 5 minutes before applying them after using Azelastine Hcl Drops. It is recommended to use the eye drops at the same times each day to get the most benefit from it. Do not increase your dose or use the medication more often than prescribed. If your condition does not improve or worsens, be sure to inform your doctor. After using Azelastine Hcl Drops, you may feel a temporary stinging or burning sensation in your eyes for a minute or 2. You might also experience temporary blurred vision, headache, or a bitter taste in your mouth. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist right away. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Many people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's crucial to contact your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects, such as eye pain. While it is rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug may occur. Seek medical help right away if you notice symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as a rash, itching or swelling of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not listed here, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects. You can also report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects and report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Azelastine Hcl Drops, make sure to tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it or if you have any other allergies. It's important to discuss any inactive ingredients in the product that may cause allergic reactions or other issues. Before using this medication, also inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history. After applying this drug, you may experience temporary blurred vision. Therefore, it's important to avoid activities that require clear vision, such as driving or using machinery, until your vision is back to normal. If you are planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, discuss with your doctor whether the benefits of using this medication outweigh the risks. It is also important to consult your doctor before using this medication if you are breastfeeding, as it is unknown whether this drug passes into breast milk. When using Azelastine Hcl Drops, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that may affect how the medication works or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial to follow your doctor's guidance and not make any changes to your medication without their approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Azelastine Hcl Drops. If someone accidentally swallows these drops, it could be dangerous. If that happens and the person is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to call emergency services right away. Otherwise, contact a poison control center immediately. In the US, you can call 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can reach out to your provincial poison control center for assistance. Always keep the medication out of reach of children and pets to prevent accidental ingestion. Remember to store the drops in a safe place and dispose of them properly if they are expired or no longer needed. It is important not to share this medication with others. When using Azelastine Hcl Drops, it's important to ask your doctor for ways to reduce your exposure to substances such as pollen, pet dander, dust mites, mold, and smoke, which can worsen allergy symptoms. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take your next dose at the usual time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to keep the bottle of Azelastine Hcl Drops upright and tightly closed. Different brands may have different storage requirements, so be sure to check the product package for specific instructions or ask your pharmacist for guidance. It's important to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of this product, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it down the drain unless you have been specifically instructed to do so. Be sure to properly discard the drops when they are expired or no longer needed, and consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on the proper disposal method. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.